So now we're going to be installing the Garmin Zumo XT2, and what I'm going to do is mount it here on the handlebars, and then I will have to run the wire through the plastic here and then come through here and then connect to my show chrome accessories box. And then I'm going to use the one of the keyed power connections, so that when the bike is turned on, that's when the power goes to the Garmin GPS unit. And as you can see, I've already got the seat off of my Goldwing. We'll need to figure out which type of thread is going to be used in your 2018 or newer Goldwing to mount here. And then the first thing we're going to do is just take this cover off. Let's pull that out, and then we'll hold on to that. Then we'll be using a 5mm Allen wrench to loosen these. Definitely make sure you hold on to things, don't let things drop. Then you can try each of the two types of bolts that they give you, and you can see this one goes in pretty easily. Now I will try the other one. And that's it. It won't go in anymore. So the one with more threads on it is the one that I'm going to be using on my motorcycle. So now we're going to use the bolt that fit my motorcycle, and we have the lock washer. The bolt goes through the mount, then the spacer, and then the clamp onto the handlebars. And we'll get that started. I'll just hand tighten that, and then we'll do the bottom one. Again, got the lock washer on the bolt. I'm going to hold the spacer between the ball mount and the clamp on the handlebar. And we'll hand tighten that. And then we'll just kind of tighten it and alternate between them. Then make sure that it's lined up here just like it was before. So now you can see I got the power cable running down the handlebar, and then underneath, and then under where the rest of the cables are going. And then it comes out on the other side, and then I'm gonna tape it to this plastic line and feed it through the fairing. Now you can see I got the line pulled through, and I have it zip tied to the other line just so that it doesn't sag anywhere. And then I've got it coming through here, and now I can connect it to the accessory module. So now you can see I got the wires tightened down in the keyed connection in the accessories box. So now we'll see if we get power to the Garmin when we turn the motorcycle on. There we go.